find the value of m if 13m
Terbang now.
24m equals to 41m. Now, this is a question and it is from the topic binary number. We are being asked to look for the base. So, judging from this question, m can never be 2, cannot be base 2, cannot be in base 3, it cannot be in base 4. So our answer will be greater than 4, or 5, 6, and the rest of that. Because remember, if x is in base y, s cannot be equal or greater than y. For instance, if a number is in base 2, you only have 0 and 1 in that number. You will not see 2 inside that number. Same go if a number is in base 3, you only have 0 and 0, 1, 2 in base 3. You can never have a number equal to 3 or greater than 3 in base 3. So if all these numbers are in base m, this simply means that the m can never be can never be 2, 3, or 4, because there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 in these numbers. So now let's get the value of m. Let's get the value of m. Simply we multiply each of these values, multiply by m plus 3 times n. This will be 0, 1 plus 2 times m plus 4 times m. 0, 1 is equals to 4 times m plus 1 times m. 0, 1. Remember from your law of indices, a number raised by 0 will equals to 1. Except a must never be equal to 0. That is, when a number is raised by 0, it will always be 1. But that number must not be 0, because 0 raised by 0 can never be 1. So let's go. 1 times this will give me m plus this will m raised by 0 is 1, so 3 times 1 is 0 plus this will give me 2m and this will give me 4, that's because 4m plus 1. So you take in collect like terms, m plus 2m minus 4m will equals to 1 minus 3 minus 4. M plus 2m will be 3m minus 4m will equals to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So 3 minus 4m, 3m minus 4m is minus m, which is equals to minus 6. But we are being asked to look for m, not minus m. So you divide 2 by negative 1. Negative 1. And this will cancel this. This will cancel this. So my m will equals to 6. Now, just like I said earlier on, the value of m can never be equal to, never be less than or equal to 4, because 4 is the highest number here. So when you look, let's say in the options, you are given 2, 3, C as 5, and D as 6. So even before solving, we have to rule out option A and option B, because these numbers can never be in base 2 or 3, because their number higher than 2 and 3 here. There is 4 here. So these numbers can never be in base 2, can never be in base 3. It can either be in base 5 or base 6. So you'll be left with 2 other options. Now, even if you don't know how to solve this particular question, you've successfully eliminated 2 wrong answers. Then you'll be left with 2. You can simply guess, and if you are lucky, you can guess the correct answer, which is 6. At least this is what we call a sensible guessing. Not, at least that reduces your risk. You're no longer guessing from 4 options, you're not guessing from 2. But then if you can solve it, it will be much better, because then you'll be able to pick the right answer. 6. And that is that for this.